Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MLflow on Windows for experiment tracking, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by ensuring that you have Python installed on your Windows machine.
You can download the latest version of Python from the official website.
Once the installation is complete, open the command prompt. To verify that Python is installed, type Python version and press enter.
Next, you need to install pip, Python's package manager, which usually comes bundled with Python. If you need to install or upgrade pip, type Python m ensure pip upgrade in the command prompt.
Once pip is ready, it's time to install MLflow. Type the command pip install MLflow and press enter. Wait for the installation process to complete.
Now, you will create a dedicated directory for your MLflow projects.
Navigate to your preferred location in the command prompt. Use the command mdir MLflow_projects to create the new directory. Change into this directory by typing cd MLflow_projects. Next, start the MLflow server to track your experiments. Type the command MLflow UI and press enter. This will launch the MLflow UI in your web browser.
By default, it runs on localhost at port 5000.
Now, you can run your ML experiments. In a separate command prompt, navigate to your project code. Import MLflow in your code using import MLflow. Start your experiment by using MLflow.start_run.
Log parameters, metrics, and artifacts using the respective MLflow functions.
To log parameters, use MLflow.log_param, param_name, value. To log metrics, use MLflow.log_metric, metric_name, value. To log artifacts, use MLflow.log_artifact, artifact_path.
After completing your experiment, end the run using MLflow.end_run.
Return to the MLflow UI in your browser to view your logged experiments.
You will see the parameters, metrics, and artifacts you logged during the run. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.